Hit with Hayden, and you know what time it is. It's time for back to school. Okay, so today for Hit with Hayden, I'm going to be doing some of my dance coach's favorite exercises. So let's get into it. My first dance coach is Mr. Alex. Whenever he starts a class, the first exercise he does is jumping jacks, a classic. So let's start. Miss Sasha. She is obsessed with arms, so let's get into it. Burpees. Like, it's her main thing to do in class, so let's do them. To do squat jumps. It's a really hard one, but let's do it. Okay, my next coach is Mr. Daniel. He loves to do lunges. I added a little bit onto it, but let's do it. Down to the floor. The first coach is Mr. Jason. He loves to do crunches, so let's do them. Miss Jordan. She's got super strong abs. So we're gonna be doing an exercise for our lower abs. So let's do it. And she's got this really fun exercise and playing to cha-cha slide. So I'm going to be doing a variation of that. So let's do it. To jump. So we're going to be doing some jumps. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, the first move is this. Just roll your arms and then step to the side and punch it forward like this in a round. Now, do that to the other side and reverse your arm. Well, don't reverse it, just do it with the other arm. Okay, the next move is this. You're gonna do this with your arms. So it's kind of like flinging something backwards, but you don't hold anything, just like hands like this, like a blade, and just throw your arms back and step to the side and do that 2 times like this. And now do that to the other side. Okay, now let's do it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that one more time so you get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? If you did, have fun with it. Well, that's not it yet, so let's keep going. So now you're going to go down like this, and you're going to open up and do your arms like it's a sunshine. And then you step forward and turn around while you do this with your arms. So when you step on it, you do this. So this is how it looks. And then you do that to the back. So you just step forward like this. So after you turn around, you just step again. And now after that, after you do this, you're going to come back forward and then you're going to do this with your arms. This one up and this one right here at your chest. And then just do that to the other side. And you're going to jump with it like this. Okay, let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I hope you got that because we're moving on. After you do this, you're going to do this. So clap your hands again and then clap lower. As you do the claps, so before you do your top clap, you're going to step forward 2 times like this and clap. And then you're going to step backwards like that again and clap down like this. Hey, it's kind of like music. Right? It's got a nice beat. Okay, after this, you're going to go up like this, but in fists. And you're going to step out like this at the same time. And then you're going to jump together. And then as you jump together, you're going to clap. Okay, let's put that all together because that was the end of the dance. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it to music.
Trying to get it poppin'.